Hi student, again welcomes you to the chapter Our Health and the Computer. Today is the last topic of the chapter Our Health and the Computer. Out of the first video and second video, we have already more learned about the chapter. So, how can we use the good posture while working over the computer? How can we use the keyboard while working over the computer? How can we use the mouse while working over the computer? Today, we will learn how to protect eyes and taking breaks, healthy lifestyle points in today's video. So, this video will be very helpful while studying whenever you read your textbook. I am trying to give you the better knowledge with the better perfect notes and better understanding with the better examples also. So I just want to get your personal hard working over the different topics. You should have to write the different topic in your notebook also. You can write the different coding system, or you can write the different type of your personal thinking in your personal notebook. You should have to take the examples, you should have to take the different important sentence from this chapter and note it in your computer notebook, or we can say information technology subject notebook. So watch the video very carefully, that will use the better knowledge related to protecting different parts of your body by doing the good posture with the sitting, by using the computer, by using the mouse. And today we will see the first point, protect eyes. So see in your book, you can look at your book by carefully by keeping your textbook in front of your eyes, and it should be away from your body posture because you can see very clearly over that. Your monitor should be at the same level as your eyes. How can we protect the eyes? Our eyes can be protected from the computer. Whenever we keep our monitor, computer is made up of four parts: keyboard, mouse, CPU and monitor. So the part which display the detailed information stored inside the computer, we can do many operations inside the computer. That operations can be watched over the screen. The screen is called the monitor. So keep that monitor away from your eyes and keep at the level as your eyes, means at the same level your eyes can be watched very easily. Before that we have learned how to use the keyboard and mouse, where keyboard should be kept, mouse should be kept, that will use the smooth handles. So something like that, monitor should be kept as the level of your eyes. Do not lift your head or look down to face the monitor. Keep your mom well lit while working on the computer. The light from the monitor can be too glaring for your eyes. Light from the computer too glaring for your eyes. If you are working in a dark room, so these different sentences having the different meanings. So I will read the sentence and explain the sentence simultaneously. Firstly, see over the second line. Keep your room well lit while working on the computer. So keeping your room in the well lit position. So whenever you can learn every topic, you can see many type of videos or images over your screen. So keep your room well lit where while working on the computer. The next point, the light from the monitor can be too glaring for your eyes. Monitor emits the light rays. The emission of different light can affect your eyes. So monitor can be too glaring for your eyes. If you are working in a dark room, whenever you work inside the dark room, you should have to minimize the brightness of your computer. And if you look at the monitor screen while working over the computer, then your room should be with the high quality lights, because dark room can affect to your eyes whenever you work over the screen. In the other example, if you switch off the lights in your house, and after switch off that type of different lights, if you using your mobile or computer, then the rays directly affect to your eyes. So from getting safe with the monitor, you should have to use the room with the well developed and with the light. Use an anti-glare screen to protect your eyes from bright light. One option is there while working in dark room, or if you want to save your eyes from glaring, anti-glare screen to protect your eyes is there. Anti-glare screen is there available in the market. You can just purchase anti-glare screen that can be useful for too glaring of your eyes, to protect your eyes from glaring. Do not place any table lamp right in front of your eyes while working on the computer. So many children uses the different table lamps for studying something. It will be very dangerous for your eyes. While reading the book also, while working over the monitor also, if you use the table lamp, then you should have to use the light available in your house also. That will be useful. Do not stretch to your eyes. So for protecting from that type of situation, you mostly should not use the table lamp while working over the computer. Use the general light available in your house. So you can see the wrong posture, correct posture image in your book. That will gives you the better support for understanding this topic. The name of the topic is protect eyes. You can see wrong posture and correct posture from that. So we will see the next topic, taking breaks. Taking breaks mean many school gives large amount of break for getting relaxation of the body of student. Generally 2 breaks available in every school for getting refreshing, for making comfortable for every student. So while using the computer, you should also have to take a break. Taking break, we will see that point. See, to look at your book, I will discuss about the point in detail. Some video games or computer applications can be very interesting. You may forget to blink your eyes constantly. This can cause burning sensation and imitation. Some video games or computer application can be very interesting. Children can use the different games. Every games is very interesting for all the childrens. You may forget to blink your eyes constantly. Many children play the game over the mobile or the computer. While working over that different machines, they forget even to blink their eyes. So don't do that type of situation, because it will affect your eyes also. Take a break at least after every half an hour. After every half an hour you can take break. If you are not taking break, you will get very tiredness, you can get the headache. We have seen a story at the starting of this chapter, Varun and Ira. With the Varun and Ira, there was so many problems established. So due to this, you will not have to face that type of problem. For this, you have to follow such instruction. Protecting eyes, use the anti-glare screen to protect your eyes from the bright light. Taking breaks, after every half an hour you should have to take break. And last point of the chapter is healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle means eating different type of foods, doing different type of exercises. Firstly, we will see computer addiction is not healthy for the body. Exercise regularly and spend enough time with your family and friends also. You should have to spend a time with your family and your friends also. Nowadays you are spending so much of time with your families, I know, but with that you should have to eat properly. You should have to take care of your body also. Don't spend more time over the different machines like computer or mobile or laptop. You should not have to play the games more time. Just play the game some amount of time you should have to take. Use the outdoor game for playing different type of games. Eat wholesome food and raw salads to maintain a healthy body. You should have to eat different type of salads. You can make different salads at your home by using different materials available in the vegetable market. At least once in a week you should have to go with your parent at the vegetable market. You can buy different product from there. You will learn different type of market situation. You will get the different explanation from the different peoples. You will get the experience about purchasing the different vegetables from the market also. You will have to do time, you have to spend the time with your family also, do many works. You can help with your parents, you can help to your mother in her kitchen. So spend your time with the families, and with that you should have to take care about your body. So we are moving with the last point. That point helps us to give the detail about the things learned. What the different things you have learned in this chapter. We have discussed all the topics available in the chapter. So you can just read that things to be learned, things you have learned already in this chapter. So I wish you all the best luck to learn this chapter. Note it in your notebook and solve the exercises. Thank you student. Bye. We will meet in next video.